Now we're going to introduce you to your new Delta Kits windshield repair system. Note that the type of equipment you receive will vary based on which system you purchased. In this section, we will cover the basic tools and supplies in the order that you will use them during a repair. Included in the budget system, the Scribe is a tool that is used to dislodge loose pieces of glass from the impact point before continuing with the repair. The steel tip is replaceable and will not scratch the windshield. Your system may have instead come with a spring hammer. A Delta Kits innovation, the spring hammer also has a replaceable tip for cleaning the point of impact. Additionally, the spring hammer comes equipped with a depth gauge used when drilling and also has a spring-loaded hammer when creating a bullseye as necessary. Simply drill using a FG701 tapered burr to the depth of the gauge. Insert the sharp tip of the probe into the bottom of the hole and release the hammer. You will have created a small bullseye that can be used to stop a crack in your customer's windshield. Your system included either a brush or a blower to clean the impact point. The purpose of this tool is to remove the remaining loose glass from the damage. The bridge assembly is the component that attaches to the windshield and holds the injector assembly in place during the repair. There are two different assemblies that you may have. Both bridges have a vacuum cup and two leveling screws. The leveling screws are capped with rubber feet to prevent damage to the glass and are used to level the bridge to ensure an even seal between the injector and the windshield. The B300 bridge uses a pump to attach the glass, while the B250 bridge uses a stainless steel flip lever. Once attached to the glass, if you need to make a small adjustment to the bridge position, loosen the adjusting nut, move the bridge as needed, and re-tighten to hold the assembly in place. If your system came with a B300 bridge, you will be working with the I100S injector, and if you have a B250 bridge, you will have an I100 injector. Both injectors are a sturdy stainless steel construction, use the same molded end seal, and carry Delta Kits limited lifetime warranty. The I100 injector consists of three pieces: the barrel, the plunger, and the end seal. The end seal is installed in the barrel and must be oriented correctly. The cylinder in the molded end seal is wider at the top than the bottom where it comes in contact with the glass. You can also tell the top side by looking for the text imprinted on the rim of the seal. Be sure that this text and the larger end of the hole are placed into the barrel, or you will not be able to achieve adequate vacuum or pressure during the repair cycles. The I100 is unique in that it has a spring-loaded plunger that applies and maintains the correct amount of pressure during the repair process without the need for constant adjustments. This is a great feature if you are working on more than one repair at a time. The plunger can also be locked back during the vacuum cycles. The mirror included with your system is placed on the windshield directly behind the damage to be repaired. This gives you the advantage of being able to see both sides of the repair in greater detail, a great tool for achieving quality repairs. Because resin cures through exposure to ultraviolet light, it is important to protect your repair from sunlight until the repair is completed to your satisfaction. If your system came with a UV shield, simply place it over the bridge before starting the repair. There are several UV shield options that are presented in the product guide. Delta Kit's exclusive Magnabond fill resin is optically matched to provide high-strength clear repairs. Delta Kit's Premium Pit and Premium Pit Plus resins are a high-viscosity resin used to fill the impact pit after the brake has been filled with Magnabond resin. Curing tabs are used to hold the pit resin in place during the curing process and are designed to allow UV light to pass through. Surprisingly, many other plastics, including sandwich bags, actually block UV light and can prevent your repair from curing. Delta Kit's UV lights are made in the USA and emit a specific frequency of UV light to cure windshield repair resins. The lamp in your system is simple to operate and runs off either a 12 or 115 volt power source. Delta Kits offers other styles of UV lights that are detailed in the product guide found in this DVD. After curing the repair, a razor blade is used to remove the excess resin and make the repair flush with the windshield. This prevents interference with the windshield wipers. Pit polish is used in the final step to remove small scratches and shine the filled pit. Your system may have included a drill and carbide burrs. The instruction manual for this tool is included with your system, and we recommend following the manufacturer's instructions for its care and operation. Techniques for drilling glass are covered in the chapter on repair cracks. Some Delta Kit systems include two styles of carbide burrs, and their use is covered in the chapter on crack repair and use of the spring hammer. There's also additional information at our website